to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how walnuts are processed, from orchard harvest to export-ready products. Don't forget to subscribe.
The moisture content is right where we want it.
Excellent color too.
Our automated systems precisely manage the pressure, ensuring the shell cracks gently while preserving the delicate kernel.
The shelling rate is optimal, and the kernel yield still at 99.8%.
Every walnut is graded to meet international quality requirements.
And that's how walnuts are processed, from orchard harvest to export-ready products.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.